tons of traffic. These superhighways are designed to manage heavy loads and ensure smooth traffic flow, even during peak hours. In Europe, AI is helping to create roads that are safer for drivers and pedestrians. By analyzing traffic patterns and accident data, AI can design roads that minimize the risk of accidents and improve overall safety. And guess what? AI isn't just for huge highways. It's also being used in local communities to improve the quality of everyday roads. It can also be used to make our local roads smoother and safer. From suburban streets to community roadworks, AI is revolutionizing the way we build and maintain our infrastructure, ensuring a better driving experience for everyone. Section 5. Smoother rides, safer streets. Imagine driving on a road so smooth, it feels like gliding on air. That's the promise of AI-enhanced roadways. These roads are not just about comfort, they are about revolutionizing our daily commutes and making our streets safer for everyone. The best part about AI roads? They come with amazing benefits. Picture families strolling down pristine streets, children playing safely, and drivers enjoying a seamless journey without the usual bumps and jolts. Less maintenance. These roads are super tough, so they don't need repairs as often. This means fewer disruptions and a smoother experience for everyone. Imagine a world where roadworks are a rare sight, and your daily commute is never interrupted by unexpected repairs. That means fewer traffic jams and less money spent on fixing potholes. With AI, traffic flows more efficiently, reducing congestion and the stress that comes with it. Think about the time saved and the reduction in fuel consumption, leading to a more pleasant and eco-friendly drive. Increased safety AI helps make roads safer by designing smarter intersections and predicting potential hazards. These intelligent systems can foresee and mitigate risks, ensuring that both drivers and pedestrians are protected. Imagine intersections that adapt to traffic conditions in real time, minimizing the chances of accidents. Environmentally friendly. Because AI-designed roads last longer, we use fewer resources building new ones. This sustainable approach not only conserves materials, but also reduces the carbon footprint associated with road construction. Picture roads that are not only durable but also green, contributing to a healthier planet. AI is shaping the future of transportation, making our roads smoother, safer, and more efficient for everyone. As we embrace these advancements, we move towards a future where our journeys are not just about reaching a destination, but enjoying the ride along the way.